US has sent feelers to China on tariffs. US Commerce Secretary makes big revelation. Lutnick says that soft entries were made via intermediaries. After blinking on tariff, US hardens its stance. US Commerce Secretary Lutnick says US has had soft entries through intermediaries with China on tariffs. Amid the ongoing tariff war that has ravaged markets and economies across the globe, the US has now sent feelers to China on tariffs. The US Commerce Secretary has made a big revelation in which he says that soft entries via intermediaries were made with China. Chetan is joining me for more on this. Chetan, could you tell us how this development could impact the common man?
Well, Harshit, if I mention about the electronics export and manufacturing push, while India is not a major direct exporter of electronics to the US at the scale of China, well, the move could shift global supply chains, opening new opportunities for Indian electronics and semiconductor manufacturers. Remember, Apple, after moving out from China in India, has built iPhones worth about $22 billion. So clearly, India has a great scale and a golden opportunity to perform. If I talk about the mobile and consumer devices in particular, if mobile phones and gadgets fall under the new tariffs, countries like India, which assemble or manufacture parts for global brands like Apple and Samsung, could see increased demand for alternative sourcing, potentially benefiting the Make in India initiative. Because now, if we go by the latest tariff, what America proposes, an iPhone probably, the latest iPhone would probably cost about 3 lakh rupees from the current 1 lakh or below. So these 2-3 issues definitely give a geopolitical leverage, especially to India, because strategically, India could benefit diplomatically as the US looks to diversify away from China, and there may be a closer tech and trade collaboration between Washington and New Delhi in the coming months as well.
Thank you so much, Chetan, for bringing us all those details.